Meet Erwing, product specialist at Fluke. Today, he's demonstrating the difference between two calibration tools, the Fluke 9500C and the Fluke 9500B. With the 9500C, Erwing can calibrate up to 4 oscilloscope channels at once. Today, he's calibrating 2 channels. With the 9500B, he calibrates 1 channel at a time, adjusts settings, and waits before calibrating the next channel, then repeats. The 9500C is already done. Meanwhile, Erwing on the 9500B is still on channel 2. Still not done? This could take a while. Now that Erwing is done with the 9500C, he can move on to other calibrations or tasks, or just relaxes. Meanwhile, Erwing on the 9500B, well, he's still waiting. Why wait when you can get the job done faster? The choice is clear. Upgrade to the Fluke 9500C and maximize your efficiency today. Visit fluke.com to learn more.